Hello everyone. I'd like to start this out with a question. Have you ever wondered where new potable water comes from? Truth is, we have been recycling water since the beginning of the earth. This means that there's a good chance that the water you drink today is the same that has already been drank by prehistoric animals. My name is James Mason, and I've been treating water in the Air Force for more than 20 years. I now have 2 licenses in 2 separate states and have had the opportunity to produce water in several different countries. Today I am going to be talking to you about bottled water and public drinking water, some interesting facts that you may not have known. Let's take a look at bottled water. The Food and Drug Administration oversees bottled water because it is defined as a food under federal regulation. The FDA requires bottlers to do regular tests of contaminants, but the agency considers bottled water as a low-risk product. So many plants that produce bottled water do not even get tested once a year. Also, the plant itself only has to test for harmful bacteria once a week. Under FDA guidelines, bottlers don't even have to identify the water source. According to government industry estimates, 1/4 of all bottled water is tap water. Bottling companies that do find bad water samples are not required to report contamination results to the public. This means the consumer, you, is taking a chance with every drink of bottled water. Let's look at how public water system and how it's regulated. The Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, regulates tap water under much stricter standards. EPA testing requirements for big city public water systems involve hundreds of tests a month for bacteria. The Safe Drinking Water Act calls for a public notice if there's any violation in some of the sampling that's done on public water systems. Your water company will provide you an annual report once a year with all your water quality information. The EPA also requires the states to have licensed operators. This means you have trained, educated people that are working with your potable water system. Finally, let's look at the plastic bottle itself. What are the additional problems with plastic bottles? One is we need to recycle the plastic, and millions of bottles are filling up our landfills. The plastic can also be harmful to human health. If a bottle sits out in the heat too long, the water can absorb materials from the plastic. Let's recap what I've explained to you. Today I have informed you of the differences in tap water and some of the dangers included in bottled water. So next time you go to the gym or you go to take that drink of water, now you should maybe think which one you'd rather drink out of.